Hi guys, it's Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all having an awesome day. I wanted to give you my 5-week update selling my t-shirts on Merch by Amazon. And I'm at tier 100. As you can see, I only have 53 products live because I've been super busy the past few weeks and I really have not devoted any time to this. But I've sold a total, okay, I've sold a few shirts, total of 13, and 7 of them were the original ones I purchased to tier up, even though from all of you lovely people have given me wonderful comments and telling me that you don't need to, tier up by having 7 t-shirts sold or 10 t-shirts sold. You only need 1 or 2. That being said, there are a few of my followers that are telling me that they can't tier up and they've sold 1 or 2 shirts and they're not tiering up. So I think Amazon might be looking at each account like on an individual basis. I might be wrong, but there are people that can't tier up and there are some people that can, but that's besides the point. I just wanted to let you know about what was going on with me. Now I know this is nothing earth-shattering, but it is proof that if you find a niche, which I did happen to stumble upon a good niche. I've sold 5 out of the 6 t-shirts that I sold organically with this niche. And my strategy is to just continue to find very, really, really specific niches and design a few styles in that niche and just see if it flies. And then I might start advertising. Again, this is just a little side hustle for me that I'm playing around with. I just started blogging and I've got a couple of other things going on along with my fashion design business, so it's not really like I'm not putting a lot of energy into it. So the way I found this niche is I'm using keywords everywhere, and that's a Google Chrome extension, and you just you type in whatever keyword is that you want on Amazon, and you can look for the search volume, and that's how I found this one niche, and hopefully it's going to continue to sell. And again, I'm not like trying to show you that I'm doing like anything amazing. I just wanted to update you, especially for the people that have never sold a t-shirt and they're getting discouraged. I think you just have to keep going and keep trying to find new unique designs, and also just keep trying to find those different niches. Keep like just going through them and see which one is going to stick. And thanks for all the comments. Please leave some more comments, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.